what's up? It's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. Okay, so in yesterday's video we made Christmas cookies. If you haven't seen that video, then go ahead and check it out now. But for today's video, we decided to use our Christmas cookies as little targets and try to shoot them with a BB gun. That's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, we just thought, like, why not shoot our Christmas cookies with a BB gun? Before we get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. It is freezing cold outside, and ignore the outfit that I have on. I literally just have random clothes on to keep myself warm. And it's kind of windy outside too, so we're hoping that this works, but we'll see. Did you set some up already? Is that our first little target?
Yeah.
Okay. We have the cookie up there. This is literally how big it is compared to my hand. See, this is our Christmas cookies that we made. So now we're gonna try to shoot them. See who gets the most.
You have to cock it, it ain't loaded.
Oh. Okay.
I'm gonna stand behind you in case it ricochets, it hit you.
Hey.
You got it?
I knocked it off. Oh, I hit the tip of it.
Oh. Still trying to kill this one cookie.
I always have to look through the opposite eye. What eye do you
I
look
looked in my
through?
right eye.
You look through your right eye?
Yeah.
See, I had to look through my left eye. Doesn't mean I should aim on the left side?
Because you're... No.
Because I'm what? Finish your sentence.
A woman.
I think I got it. It's in the cookie. See it?
It is in there.
Ooh, you want to try?
Sure.
See if you could do better. Oh, good shot.
Hit it somewhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna still hit it though. Okay, I got my tripod. We're gonna try this cookie now. Ready? Oh! There's literally a hole in it from where I shot it. Now I'm gonna line up like 3 different cookies and see if I can hit them all in a row. Should we use this same one? I'm gonna use these 3. It is freezing cold out here. So I have the cookies up here, and I'm gonna see if I can hit all of these in a row. Oh, got it. Right in the center. That's what I'm talking about. I'd rather just show y'all this way. Okay. Oh, got the hoe. Ooh, did y'all see that? Right through the cookie. Okay, can you see it right there? The little green dot? That's the cookie, okay? Oh! Bam! Now let's do more. I want to line these up on the fence so bad. Oh crap, my shoe's untied. Now we're going to do the little Christmas tree cookie and see if we can knock this one off. Yeah. Gosh, it's freezing. Let's see how fast I can get this cookie. Ready, set, go. Ooh! Okay, we're gonna try a really tiny cookie now. Let's see if we can get this. This is the smallest cookie we have. 2 in a row. Let's see if we can get both of these in one shot. Should I go for the red one first? Ooh! Now for the white one. Ooh! Don't mess with me! 4 cookies. God, my fingers are numb. Two. 3. 4. I need a challenge. Ready, set, go. Oh. Woo! Look at all my cookies on the floor. We got so many cookies, look at that. Oh my god, my tree broke. See the bullet holes in that one. This one has a few in there. All the cookie crumbs. This one. Bam. Right in the center. And then I'll put this one right there. There we go. We can have a longer shot. Make it more challenging. Dang, hopefully I don't hit my phone. That would be so bad. Woo! Three in a row! Let's go! I'm about to set up a whole setup, okay? So up here, we have these little ones. Of course, you have the 3 over there. This will be the grand finale. I should scoot really far back, actually. This is the final challenge of the video. We're gonna see if we can knock all these off. Oh wait, one already fell. Yeah, my fingers feel like icicles. They're numb. Ooh. 1, 2. I kind of hit 2 with that one. 3. 'Yeah, it's time to go inside. I'm freezing. Gosh, it is so cold out there. My fingers, look how red they are. They hurt. I can barely even like move them. That's really it for today's video. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold or like rainy and gloomy outside. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.